You've been lied to. Not by a person, not by an institution. You've been lied to by a silent assumption. The assumption that your life is random, that success is luck, and failure is fate. That the universe is a chaotic, meaningless machine, and you are just a ghost inside of it. But what if I told you it's a system? A system with rules, unseen rules. And today, we decode 3 of them. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might just change the operating system of your mind. Look around. We have more information than ever before, yet we feel more lost. We're more connected, yet we feel more alone. We chase happiness in 1,000 different directions. A better job, a new car, another relationship, only to find the feeling is temporary. It's like trying to fill a bucket that has a hole in it. Why? Because we are playing a game without knowing the rules. We are trying to solve an equation without knowing the variables. The ancient texts, the very ones often dismissed as outdated, describe these rules not as religious dogma, but as fundamental laws of reality. Like gravity. You don't have to believe in gravity for it to work, you just have to understand it. The first unseen rule is the law of accountability. The modern world tells you, you are a product of your environment, your genetics, your trauma. It's not your fault. And while those things have influence, this idea has a hidden poison. It removes your power. It makes you a spectator in your own life. The ancient code says something radically different. It says every single thought, every word, every small action you take is an energy you release into the universe. It's a seed, and every seed, without exception, will bear fruit. The Quran states it with terrifying clarity. So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. This isn't about a cosmic judge with a ledger. It's a system of cause and effect. You don't get away with anything. The negativity you put out doesn't just vanish. It becomes the lens through which you see the world. The kindness you offer isn't lost. It returns to you in ways you cannot predict. Think of it this way. You are the architect of your own reality, one atom-sized choice at a time. This isn't a burden. It's your ultimate freedom. The second unseen rule is the principle of gratitude amplification. Our brain is wired for survival. It's constantly scanning for threats, for what's missing, for what's wrong. It's a deficit detector. This is why you can have 99 things go right in a day, but you'll obsess over the one thing that went wrong. Gratitude is the manual override for this default setting. The world tells you, be happy when you get what you want. The code says, be grateful for what you have, and you will be given more. The Quran puts it in the form of a promise, a divine guarantee. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. This is not positive thinking. This is a law of physics for the soul. When you actively focus your attention on what you have, your health, a roof over your head, the ability to see and hear, you are literally rewiring your brain. You're telling the universe, I am open to receive more of this. It amplifies the good that already exists, making you a magnet for more of it. Try this tonight. Before you sleep, find just 3 things from your day that you are genuinely grateful for. Do it for a week. Watch what happens. You're not changing the world. You're changing the lens you see it through, and in doing so, you change your world. The third and perhaps most misunderstood rule is the test and growth equation. We have a deep-seated belief that a good life should be an easy life, that hardship is a sign that we've done something wrong, or that God has abandoned us. This is the greatest illusion. The code reveals the opposite truth. Hardship is not a punishment, it's a promotion. Do people think that they will be left alone because they say, "We believe and will not be tested"? This verse is not a threat. It's a description of the system. A muscle does not grow by lifting air. It grows by struggling against resistance. Your character, your faith, your soul does not grow in comfort. It is forged in fire. Every single challenge you face is a tailor-made test designed to unlock a strength you didn't know you had. The loss you face is a test of your patience. The betrayal you experience is a test of your forgiveness. The success you achieve is a test of your humility. Stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What is this trying to teach me?" That single shift in perspective turns you from a victim to a student. It transforms every obstacle from a wall into a doorway. So, 3 unseen rules. 1. You are the architect. Every atom counts. 2. Gratitude is not a feeling. It's a tool that amplifies your reality. 3. Your struggles are not punishments. They are your curriculum for growth. These are not just ideas. This is part of the code, the operating system of the universe. And we've only just scratched the surface. The real question is, what other rules are we living by without even knowing they exist?